Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a vegetarian version of Bun Bo Hue. The ingredients that you need are these thick rice sticks that you can get at any Asian grocery store. You will also need vegetable stock. You can use 1 or 2 of these depending on how much you would like to make. Any veggie meat, I'm using veggie beef chunks. You'll also need mushrooms. I'm using enoki mushrooms and seafood mushrooms, but you could use any that you would like. You will need 1 shallot, deep fried tofu, garlic cloves, a slice of lemon, 1 whole onion, lemongrass stalk and minced lemongrass, green cabbage shredded, green onions. You'll also need shrimp sauce, crab paste with bean oil, some Bun Bo Hue powder, mushroom seasoning, sugar, salt, and black pepper. Start by boiling a pot of water and placing your noodles into it. Cook according to the package instructions. In another big pot, add in your vegetable stock and about 2 cups of water. While we wait for that to boil, we're going to prep our mushrooms. Go ahead and cut off the ends and then place into a strainer. Next, take your deep fried soybean cake or tofu and thinly slice it. Place aside until ready to use. I'm also going to be placing the veggie beef chunk into a strainer and then setting aside. Next, I will take my onion, peel it, and then thinly slice it. Place aside, and then take your shallot, do the same thing. Next is the garlic. I'm going to mash it and then mince it. Next, I'm going to take the lemongrass stalk and try to crush the ends of it. If the knife is not strong enough, you can also use a pestle. In a pan, add about a tablespoon of oil on medium heat and then add in the minced garlic. Go ahead and saute for about 1 minute. Next, add in the shallots, saute for another minute, and then add 1 tablespoon of minced lemongrass, the lemongrass stalk, and the onions. Go ahead and saute that for another minute or 2. Transfer the lemongrass stalk to the vegetable stock pot and then go ahead and season the rest with a little bit of salt, a little bit of black pepper, a tablespoon of sugar, a tablespoon of mushroom seasoning. Go ahead and mix that in. Next, add in a tablespoon of the Bun Bo Hue powder and a jar of the crab paste in oil. Go ahead and mix that in. Scoop in all of the mixture into the big pot of stock and then stir to combine. Also, make sure you are checking on your noodles, and if it's ready, go ahead and strain and rinse it. Without wiping the pan, add another tablespoon of oil and then add in your mushrooms. Saute that for about a minute, and then you're going to add a little bit more oil, add in your veggie meat, And then finally add in the tofu. Cook for about 5 to 10 minutes. Now season it with a little bit of salt. I'm going to be using a mushroom soy sauce, but you can use regular soy sauce. I'm also going to add some black pepper and a little bit of sugar. Mix to combine. Now for the garnish, I'm just going to slice my green onions. To assemble, I'm going to add in as much noodles as I would like. Place the mushrooms inside the bowl. Now I'm going to add my veggie beef and my soybean cake. Then for the veggies, I will add in the shredded cabbage and top it off with some sliced green onions. Now all you have to do is pour in the broth, and if you have the shrimp sauce, you can add it to your meal. Otherwise, you can just eat it as is. You can also squeeze in some lime or lemon if you would like. Enjoy!